The psychology behind makeup. What makes one person's face more appealing than another's face?
Isn't beauty in the eyes of beholder? Is beauty attained through the use of products? Is beauty all about the makeup women put on?
The word cosmetic has been derived from the Greek origin. It had been derived from the word cosmos, which means to arrange. The one of most popular magazines, Cosmopolitan, also has this root.
Welcome back to Thought Control, and today we are going to discuss why women put on makeup.
The earliest record of makeup originates from the dynasty of Egypt. Romans started using cosmetic by the middle of 1st century. Products like kohl were used for darkening eyelashes and eye yields and eyebrows. Chalk was used for lightening skin tone and rouge was for cheeks to give blush. Cosmetic were an essential part of health and hygiene in ancient Egypt.
Research shows that there are two main reasons why women wear makeup. Camouflage.
Women who are anxious and insecure about themselves tend to use makeup to appear less noticeable and normal.
Seduction.
Women tend to use makeup to be more confident, sociable, and assertive, resulting in being noticeably more attractive. Women have this mindset from a very young age to be successful in everything, from dating to job interviews to forming friendships. They need to be pretty and beautiful. And the basis for that isn't completely cultural. It may not be justified, but according to the Association for Psychological Science, attractive people are treated more favorably in every aspect of life, from dating to jobs and services to criminal trial.
What biology says about attractive female faces and application of makeup. The amount of color contrast around the eyes and lips as eyeshadows and lipsticks.
Women naturally possess dark lips and skin around the eyes. So, our brain subconsciously note that as a symbol of femininity. The more color contrast between a woman's eye and lips and her skin tone, the more feminine and attractive a woman is considered to be. Lipstick and eyeshadow are makeup essential because they enhance those features and make women gain more attractive.
How symmetrical and even her face is.
The Association for Psychological Science explains that we like symmetrical faces. Even though we can't notice the symmetry, you may not realize it, but the majority of faces are slightly asymmetrical. Either one side will be broader than another, eye shapes will have slight differences, one cheekbone may be a bit less distinct, etc. And the fewer of these differences a face has, the more attractive it is perceived. Makeup evens skin tone and contouring, eyeliner and lip liner also can make those features appear more even.
Makeup is an effective tool to appear more naturally attractive. The question is, how do you make the most of it? Wear concealer foundation.
Research shows that the foundation is cosmetic that has the biggest impact on how women are perceived. This is especially important at work because research shows that women who wear makeup have higher earning and promotion potential. Skin tone discoloration, tired eye bags, and blemishes can make you look tired or sickly. If you have acne scars or other blemishes, you probably already realize that foundation may not fully cover them. This means that even with foundation, your skin tone is not completely even, and you won't have the full benefits of wearing makeup. To avoid this, prior to applying foundation, put on enough concealer to make your marks disappear.
Use these science-backed basic makeup enhancements.
If you have the time, energy, and inclination to do so, you can further capitalize on the power of makeup with these 4 enhancements. Number 1. Blush. Studies show that having a pink tint to your cheeks makes you look younger and, to the subconscious mind, slightly provoked because for many, it resembles their natural color in sensual states.
Mascara, eyeshadow, and eyeliner.
Cosmetic surgeon Adam J says that because women naturally have more color variation around their eyes, eye makeup enhances that and makes them look more attractive. You also can use this cosmetic to increase the apparent size of your eyes so you look younger. Lipstick. Again, this increases the color contrast of the mouth. It is also probably is no surprise that women who wear red lipstick or darker, bold shades of lipstick are considered as more attractive to straight men than those who opt for a more nude color of lipstick or none at all.
Contour.
Previously discussed, our brain loves symmetrical faces. Contouring your face can make it more symmetrical in addition to sharpening your angles. For tips on how to do these types of makeup, seek the wonderful advice of beauty bloggers who can walk you through every type of makeup step by YouTube videos, Instagram, and practically experimenting on yourself.
Here are some more interesting facts about makeup.
Cleopatra was said to have soaked her ship's sails in perfume so everyone could smell her arrival. Talk about having a signature scent. Women prefer having a signature scent and prefer a particular branded perfume for the same. Number 2. MAC was founded by two men named Frank in 1985. It is the most widely used quality product among women. Number 3. Egyptians also get credit for creating perfume, which they use cosmetically and also medically. Number 4. The beauty industry generates around 170 billion worldwide. Number 5. The first mass market hairspray hit the shelves in 1960.
Makeup is important, but too many women make the mistake of wearing so much that they lose its benefits. Be mindful of the impression you want to make and focus on using makeup to enhance your natural beauty, and it will make you feel more confident. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any feedback, please let us know in the comment section below. And do not forget to share and subscribe. And the boys, all the boys who are watching this video, let us know in the comment section below. Do you also do makeup? Do you also makeup? If yes, can you tell your choices? Powder, cream? What do you do, man? Oil? Maybe oil. You guys